Okay, in the hunt for some parts. Look. Yep. There you go. Yep. I'm gonna have to climb up. Will you look at that? Yep, I told him bring it down because we're taking parts off. And sure enough, we do have some parts to take. Let's just have a quick look at it. Boy, oh boy. And the problem is, seat is not the best. God. Yeah, I'm not gonna take this. I won't be able to take this. It's just really in bad shape. Ouch. But hey, I've got other things I might be able to take. So let's get cracking.
A few moments later.
Alright, the seats were bad, but I managed to get the seat cover around it. And you see all these plastic trims that you see in front of you? All those should go in the trunk, which I don't have them. Now I do. Heck, I even have the spare. Let's load up and head home. Welcome back, everybody. As you can clearly see, we got the stuff from the Junkyard. I had to hit pause on the window switch and all because I got theory I need to test. Anyways, back to this goodies. See all this? This, the spare, this, even this cone thingy, foamy thingy that goes on top. This one under the wheel. Remember the one that we have that we had to staple it in the first episode or the second one? Well, we need to chuck it because this is a brand new one. Even this one. This is a seat cover. Don't mind the color, okay? The color is going to be changed. And all this box of goodies. Even the battery cover. Battery cover. Reverse camera. The cubby holder for the back seat. A couple more switches. Trims for the dash. Even this. And oh yeah, even this one. Because ours was cut, so I got the new one. All this came down to $150. Not bad at all. Now I got those two switches. Now I don't know if they're gonna work or not, but I figured, you know what, if we're changing, let's change both of them and see if that solves our problem. I suspect one of two things: either fuse is burnt or the switch is bad. I'm less inclined to think it's I don't think it's the switch, simply because the one that I had was working, at least the driver's side. Anyways, we've got a mess in the garage, we've got a mess in the trunk that I need to get them out in order to be able to fit the stuff that I just bought. Plus, we might get lucky and start painting some stuff. Anyways, let's clear this clutter so that we can put that. But I was thinking more like to wash it first. So let's wash it, clean it up first. Then after that, it should be ready. See what I'm talking about? See, the jack should sit here with all the equipment that comes with it. This one hides it basically. Spare, the cone thingy, there you go. And the other side, so see how it's cleaner? And that explains why I had this wooden thingy, because I don't actually need this. This is more than enough. Now I can put the normal ones back and that will give me a flat surface. Now mind you, I still need to put the trim over here, the cover at the bottom over here, the trim over here, and that will tidy it all up. But looking at it, well, this is how it should be. Now, I only put this because this is all what I need and it wouldn't compromise my work, because for me to work on the bumper, I need to have the lights out, and that's why I don't have the trim over here. But that being said, at least I got rid of some clutter and my car looks way nicer. Let's put the black thingy on top and shove all the stuff that I have everywhere in the trunk and just close it and call the day off. Sweet! Okay, switching gears, backseat removal. Pay attention, easy, just wiggle and pull. You see over here, there should be a clips, so this seat clips into the ground, so just pull. Don't go easy, don't go gentle, just pull. Just don't pull from here, because the clip is here. So one over here, one on the other end. That way allows us to remove this back seat, or at least to flip it up. Why we're doing that? This is the cup holder, and the cover is broken, and I already bought a new one. I need to remove this in order to install that. By the way, did you know there's a hidden compartment here? Pay attention. Yep, pull this, voila. Ha, I need to clean this one as well. So as you remove this at the bottom, there you go. Yep, that's a plastic clip over there, and there's another one. Release those, and from the bottom it just releases out. Good God, this is glass. Shit, this been in an accident. Hey, there's a lighter. Score! All right, let's just remove those two pieces, and that will allow us basically to work on this one. I'll show you once it's all removed. All right, here it is, removed, no damage, and this is the hidden compartment. From the other side, pay attention. There you go. Screwdriver, flathead. Shove it over here, twist it. That releases those plastics, and the rod in between gets released. Once that is done, see, they clip. So you just, as you release the top, pull up, and it gets out. There they are. A few screws over here. I need to remove them, and that allows me to remove this whole piece out. And this is the replacement. See, it should sit right here. Now, there you go. Now both definitely need finishing and washing in order for me to be able to paint them properly. But you got the gist. Easy. This wooden thingy makes a fine table. There you go. I deliberately put the lid over here because I don't want the color basically to go down into the black. That's why I taped it that, because the handle itself is still fabric. I don't want to ruin it. This one, I'll work on it at a later stage, but I just need to paint the fascia, as they can see. This is the handle, the replacement one. You can clearly tell it's black. This is the window switch, also black. And this is the cubby holder, it's black. Now, I'm not gonna paint from the inside. I thought it's gonna look cool to have it inside black, outside beige. Plus, it's cleaner that way. This is what we're going with. Yes, it says beige match, but does it actually? Well, I went to a professional shop and they literally made a perfect match. This is my old switch, the broken one that I need to replace. If you can see, it's broken. And if you look under the light, yep, you see the coloration difference? Old, new. So they actually match the paint. Let's give this one a crack and see if it actually works. Same usual stuff, wax, grease, removed any dirt. Now it's dry, I'll give it a spray, I'll start with a mist, then after that we'll go from there. Oh my God. Look. Jesus. It's a perfect match. Actually, for you to compare. Old one, original, beige. Can you even tell the difference? Nope. This is how good they are. And this is the handle. Now it's beige. I just need to let it dry. Mind you, it's still tacky, but yeah. And this one, I even painted this one because it was look discoloring and ruined. Now here's how it is. You can sand the areas that is bothering you. You see, like for example, this area, you can sand it, and after that you paint it, and that way it looks clean. But I'm not gonna go overboard. I'm really happy with the color. I'm really happy with the outcome. I still got some left over. I'm gonna paint the seat cover with it. Wow, now I can literally assemble that door. Jesus. Me lucky. All right, stage 2. I bet you're saying, what the hell is this? Let me show you. The door handle. See how the color is fading? Yeah, so flip it to the other side. You've got 3 screws, unbolt them, and you end up with this. I've masked the areas that I don't wanna paint, and I used a stick so that I can paint the inside first, and after that I'll flip it and paint the outside. I've already got silver color, dupli color. I'll give it a crack. It's already cleaned, so I need to do the other side. Sweet. There you go. Let's start with this one. This is the driver's side. We never had a problem with this one. It's bolted properly and everything. Now, properly painted. I know it's too silvery, but it doesn't matter. It's clean. And I cleaned the whole door card, so now it's cleaner. Coming to the other side. Yep, I bet you've noticed it. This is the freshly painted piece. And you can still see some black left over here, but it doesn't matter because the cover is going to cover it. And again, clean and painted. Looking good. This is how you should put it. Original parts, not silicone and sellotape. Really, sellotape. What they were thinking. Anyways, I still got extra, so there's that. On to something else. What do we got? There you go. 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're good to go. And let's check how it looks. Ta-da! And you just open it, and bam, it's black from the inside. I mean, I could have painted it beige as well, but I would still rather keep it black, simply because whatever drinks that you're gonna put over here, in case that they spill or dirt or dust, black camouflages. There you go. This one, on the other hand, we're gonna work on it, put a proper fabric, and at that point we can just put it there and it hides it well. And there you go, you're good to go. Actually, I might spray it too, but then again, you've got those little things. I don't know. I don't know. I'll tell you what. Let's just paint it with this one. Remember this one? Vinyl fabric that we had, the gray one. I think I still got some left over. Let me just try and paint some and see if it makes it any different. If it doesn't, oh well, I'll put a fabric on it. So, no biggie. Cool. Isn't it just better? There you go. You don't need to put any fabric whatsoever. The dark gray camouflages it, and it actually can contrast well. There you go. So at the back seat, you've got this. You know what? I actually dig it. And ta-da! Oh, sweet. One thing down. We need to work on this drama. This is the side skirt. And brace yourself. Look, 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 look. Bam. Somebody again put some sellotape over here just to cover this hole. This needs to be properly cut and either plastic weld or fiberglass. I don't have a plastic to work on, so most likely I'm just gonna cut it and fiberglass the crap out of it. Let's start with that. There you go. Cut into perfect shape, a shape that I can work with. Basically, that's the whole idea. I can work with that. And check, there was a crack in here. I just plastic welded. So you use the tips, the metal tips that you have, and you just stick them over here with the welder thingy. And after that, with the plier, just cut the excess. And now it's ready for some fiberglass reinforcement. Sweet. As for this one, I'm gonna put a masking tape from under, fiberglass over here. Then after that, basically, you can flip it and work on the other side. Sweet. Yes, I cleaned the floor, but that's not what I want to show you. There you go. So this is the area where we plastic weld, and now I applied proper fiberglass, and this is where the hole that we had, now it has fiberglass. Once this one dries, I can flip it to the other side and work on the other side. Now the fiberglass glass kit that I got, yep, there we go. So the resin, hardener, and it came with also fiberglass powder or something. So you mix it up with the resin and you just apply it for the smaller areas or pinholes per se. We might do that on the other side. But so far, we are killing it. I stocked up everything on top of the car. It's we may not have done much, but trust me, it is much. Anyways, if you like what you see, stick around until next episode, and until then, you take care of yourself, okay? Yalla.